Good evening, teacher. Joel here. I'm very excited to take a moment and walk you through to the class, to my project, and this great experience I had at Universidad Técnica Nacional in Punta Arenas. First thing we did, it was diving into the realms of customer service, the essentials, and business letters. And let me tell you, it was quite a journey. Basically, we start the class by a session of brainstorming. Uh, Basically what I did it was asking the students the first thing that comes to their head when they think about customer service. So we made a Padlet board um, where they all shared their thoughts about customer service. Um, think of it like a virtual whiteboard where we all chose into sense about customer service, and the diverse mix of ideas and perspective was mind blowing actually. Such a cool way to start things off. Here you can see the list of attendance. Our session began with also a super cool presentation that I made with Genially. It was like a digital canvas, and where we explore into the nitty gritty of customer service. It was like a digital canvas, and basically we had like definitions, characteristics, and different types, and all wrap up in an engaging visual format. It was not the typical lecture. It was like stepping into a colorful and interactive learning world. Next up, we crank up the engagement with a genial quiz, and two brave souls from the group, they step up to plate and took on the challenge. It was like friendly game show, but with a twist. It was all about customer service, and the enthusiasm was contagious, and it brought such a lively vibe to the class. From there, we venture into the intriguing world of business letters. We explored like various types from formal to friendly, and then roll up our sleeves for group activity. Each team crafted their own letters, infusing them with creativity and individuality. It was amazing to see how everyone brought their unique touch to the task. It was a very nice activity. Wrapping it up, we settle into like a relaxed discussion. We share our, you know, key takeaways from the class, and brainstorm in how we could apply these insights to the real world scenarios in the classrooms. The diverse range of ideas and perspectives shared during this reflective session was eye opening and truly, enriching. In a nutshell, this class wasn't your, rum off the mile lecture. It was hands-on, interactive learning adventure, and the energy and engagement from each of the students were, incredible, and it made the entire experience one to remember. I'm stuck to continue this journey together, and exploring the fascinating topics, and always learning. It was quite experience. Here is part of the videos that I made for evidences. Let me show you real quick how it looks like. This is the class, and I use a video beam that it was provided by the institution. Even the computer was provided by the teacher, who was always there supervising the class. The students, I know some of them already because I developed a different project time ago from my first quarter in the same university, so I'm a little familiar with the students. But yeah, these are some of the images. Let me just like forward it a little bit so you can see um, part of what the experience was. And well, this has been a little bit of everything I wanted to show you. These were some other things we discussed during the class, his strengths and weaknesses. um, and then yeah, that's basically all we learned, and I wanted to share with you. Um, I hope you like it, and I hope it's something close to what you were expecting. Thank you so much.